Beyond the obvious energy, libido, gym gains, what are some of the most surprising or life changing benefits you have seen in patients who get their TRT dialed in properly?
Confidence and a shift in mindset. Guys make more money when they're optimal on their testosterone. Guys are more assertive. Guys get stuff done. They go to work, they set a task, they finish it. Their brain fog goes away, their motivation and their drive comes back. The way they carry themselves in public is seen by others. They are treated with more respect. They walk with their chin up. They make eye contact. They have a firm handshake. The demeanor and the way they are viewed is better. And they make more money. And they are more in leadership positions. When you look at leaders around the world, whether it's business, politics, etc., when you look at leaders, generally speaking, they are alpha. And there are people who are not afraid to take risk, calculated risk. There are people who are not afraid to get rejected. They are confident enough to do what they feel is right and come back from it if they fail. And that's what testosterone does for guys. And I think people don't recognize it because a lot of our patients have never had that before. Some have had it and they've lost it. And they come in and they say, I'm not the man I used to be. Some guys have never had it and they get it for the first time and they say, oh my God, I'm like, everyone tells me I'm different. Not in a good way or a bad way, just different. I think it's a good thing. Some people may not agree with it, but I don't think it's ever bad to be confident, assertive, decisive, motivated. It's just, and if it means you have to shed some weight along the way and lose a circle of people who are not like that or find you intimidating, then that's the shift that life brings you to. But to me, that's the most, I guess, expected by us, but unexpected by some patients. And I would say that takes a year, maybe longer, because changes like that don't come instantly. It's people battle with it. They're in denial about it initially, like, oh my God, I just got that done, or I just made this decision. Normally, I would dwell on this for months. I would ask for opinions. I just said, the heck with it. I just did it. So it takes people a little while to kind of come to terms with the fact that they now have this mental ability and clarity to just push things forward.